We're the Huston sisters.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Huston Sisters. And if this is your first time viewing, welcome to our channel. Make sure you go ahead and ring that bell and hit that subscribe button. So today I will be making asparagus fries. One of my favorite restaurants has this on their menu as an appetizer. I love them so much I had to learn how to make it on my own. I'm also pairing it with a aioli dip, and that's what you see here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys finish watching the video, and I'll be back with you. So now that I'm finished mixing the dip, I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to this glass bowl and then cover it and then set it in the refrigerator just while I'm cooking my asparagus fries. This will help to get the dip a little cool, and then also to help those ingredients just kind of blend together and the taste will form. Next, I started with my tempura mixture. I mixed the flour and cornstarch together. This is my first time trying it this way. I normally just use flour, so it's totally up to you how you want to do yours. I do like to use cornstarch in some of my recipes instead of flour because I like how it does not like clump up. You don't have to worry about all those clumps, and it doesn't get too thick like the flour does. So that's why I decided to mix it this time, just to try something different. Okay, so I'm going ahead and I'm adding my seasonings to my tempura mixture. I did a little red pepper. I love my kosher salt. I also added in some onion powder and also some garlic powder. Afterwards, I mixed all of this together and just got it to the right consistency. I think I did add a little bit more cornstarch just to thicken it up, but you don't want it to be too thick. You just want it thick enough just to stick. I also want to add that I didn't want to be too heavy on the seasoning because if you're going to use the dip as well, it may be too much. So if you don't want to use the dip, then you can add, I would suggest adding more seasoning or add it at the end. Just add salt at the end once you take the asparagus fries out of the grease. So I just like to kind of throw in as many as I can into the batter and then get them all coated. And then once they're coated, I'll go ahead and put them in the grease. Sometimes I like to just kind of test out a few at a time, and then I'll add more to my grease anytime I'm frying something. So it just all depends, but you're welcome to do it whichever way you like. So I'll let you all finish watching. Make sure you go ahead and like the video. I know you're enjoying it. Also go ahead and subscribe if you already haven't, and I will see you all throughout the video. asparagus just with some potatoes. This is something that we just enjoy cooking, or we love potatoes. It's something easy to cook, and so just decided to pair the potatoes with these asparagus fries. Then also added my dip, and this is pretty much it. It's an easy appetizer / snack, or if you want to have it for dinner, you can do it any way you like. But I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and also make sure you check out my sister's vegan asparagus fries. She cooks hers a little bit different. They are super yummy, so make sure you guys check out that video. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to our video, and we will see you next time.